Hey, what's up, hello YouTube? I am back with another video, and today I'm here with Darla and Jamie, and we are on a beach.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Now it is.
Well, now it is.
Now it's really nice.
It was freezing before. And anyway, so we took some clips. It was hard. We didn't take many clips here because we were mostly just like enjoying our time. But we took some clips here earlier. So I will show you those right now.
Is that a video? Good, I'll use it for my vlog. No. Don't. Can I get an interview?
Yes, actually. Hi,
Tell me how that was.
yeah.
Oh!
That was a great experience. 10 out of 10 would do that for hours and days on end until I get it.
Thinking that I love really easy, and I know that you still wanna see me. On the Sunday morning, music real loud. Let me love you while the mood is still out. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep, 'cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you move. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. I just wanna feel your skin on mine, feel your eyes do the exploring, passion in the message when you smile.
Hey guys, so we're back from the beach. It's dark out now. Emma's here. And we're just driving around. We just came to a tea place. I don't like tea, but they have like different drinks. So we're gonna go get those, and I feel very pressured right now because everybody is watching me. So you guys will see us in there. I don't know, we might play a board game, maybe order our drinks. I got a creamsicle. Emma got
White peach bubble tea with
And-
light ice.
and Jamie got.
A white peach bubble tea with pineapple.
You look burnt in this.
I'm burned. Wait, tap on it. Okay,
I can't